12、第13段。嗱呢度提到一個概念咧，叫做 liberal education 嘅第13段。OK，咁香港都有大學咧係推崇呢個 liberal education 嘅。咁詳細係乜嘢咧？大家可以自己去 search 一下。咁我淨係講俾大家知個中文名咧，叫做博雅教育啦。OK， 好，我哋望住咯噃，我哋睇第11段好嘛 ？Liberal learning depends on absorption in compelling work。嗱，compel 咧即係強迫 OK，compel 咧係個 verb 嚟嘅 OK， 係一個強迫嘅意思。咁但係 compelling work 咧就唔係強迫嘅工作。compelling work 咧某程度上咧係解作呢樣嘢好引人入勝啊，即係一個好吸引人嘅工作。OK，咁咪就話啦 liberal education 咧 liberal learning 咧其實係 depends on 一個 compelling work， 即係對一啲引人入勝嘅工作咧有一個深入嘅去吸收嘅 OK 吸收嘅。It is a way to open ourselves to various forms of life in which we might actively participate. When we learn to read or look or listen intensively, we are at least temporarily overcoming our own blindness by trying to understand and experience from another point of view. We're not just developing techniques of problem solving, we are learning to activate potential and often to instigate new possibilities. 好呢度講咩咧？佢就話原來咧 liberal learning 咧其實咧係對一啲好有引人入勝嘅一啲作品咧，係要有一個吸收嘅，即係你好謙虛咁學習嗰樣嘢嘅。呢個咧係開放我哋自己去唔同嘅生命體驗度。咁而呢生命體驗可以讓我哋 actively 咁 participate 啦，參與啦，係咪？參與啦。咁當我哋去學習閱讀啦，或者係去聆聽好密集式好 intensively 好集中咁樣去聆聽閱讀嘅時候咧，我哋其實咧就係暫時性地啦克服咗我哋嘅盲點。OK， 咁我哋點克服我哋盲點啊？原來就係嘗試去理解呢啲嘅其他人嘅一啲觀點嘅一啲體驗，即係話咧，我哋嘗試去理解其他人嘅觀點咧，嘗試去克服我哋自己嘅盲點。OK， 嗱，我哋唔係淨係發展緊去 problem solving 嘅一啲技巧。OK，techniques 係技巧啦，留意呢個係一個 K 音啦 ，techniques 得唔得？我哋唔係淨係去做一啲 problem solving 解決問題嘅技巧啦，我哋亦都係去學習緊去 activate 我哋嘅 potential， 我哋將我哋嘅潛能咧去提升，甚至咧去探索一啲新嘅可能性。OK， 好啦，跟住佢就話啦 ，Yes, hard-nosed critical thinking，OK， 好硬邦邦、硬着頭皮嘅一種批判性思考咧係有用㗎，有陣時係有用㗎，但係 but it also may become a defense against the risky insight that absorption can offer. As students and as teachers, we sometimes crave the protection. Without it, we risk changing who we are. We risk seeing a different way of living, not as something alien, but as a possibility we might be able to explore or even embrace. 嗱 ，embrace 係擁抱係嘛 ？OK， 佢就話原來咧硬着頭皮嘅一個批判性思考咧，其實係好有用嘅，但係咧佢亦都係一個 defense 防禦機制，防禦 OK 嘅一個機制，去做乜嘢啊？令到我哋防禦到我哋唔好過於。當我哋去沉溺 absorb 係去吸收一啲新嘅知識嘅時候咧，會讓我哋產生一個風險嘅。咩風險咧？就係我哋係啦會產生一個即係如果我哋過於沉溺一樣嘢，即係我哋信晒嗰樣嘢啦，即係相信嗰個理論啦，咁其實係會為我哋帶嚟啲風險。咁所以咧 hard-nosed critical thinking 咧，即係話一個批判性嘅思考咧，其實係有用嘅，即係我哋唔好過於相信一啲嘢。OK， 好啦，當同學同老師咧，都係去尋找呢啲保護性，即係簡單嚟講，咩叫 protection 啊？呢個 protection 咧，即係講緊呢一個位，即係話咧， 如果你過於沉溺一樣嘢，其實過於相信某一個理論啦，假設咁你其實咧係有一個 risk 嘅一個風險嘅，OK 就係你過於相信呢個理論。咁所以有時咧，我哋要有一啲批判性嘅思考，有一啲 critical thinking 嘅一啲批判性嘅思考。咁而呢批判性嘅思考咧，其實係一個 protection 嚟嘅。作者認為，OK 咁如果冇咗係啦，OK 冇即係佢就話啦，當同學同老師咧有時咧，我哋係會去尋找 crave 係渴望啦，係咪渴望啦？去呢啲個保護嘅時候咧，我哋亦都即係我哋有時我哋係去保護自己，唔好過於相信一個理念。咁所以我哋咧就有一個 critical thinking 啦。咁但係咧，係啦，就係我哋如果冇咗呢一個 critical thinking 咧，即係sorry 冇咗呢個 protection，個 it 係個 protection，OK 個 it 係個 protection，冇咗呢個保護性，即係話我哋我哋唔會去反思 ，OK 唔會去反思，冇咗呢個保護性嘅話咧，嗱佢呢度 yes 係同意去反思，同意一個批判性嘅思考，OK 佢就話啦，但係佢就話如果一般性嚟講，老師同學生咧都係會希望有呢個保護性喺度嘅。OK，因為我哋批判一啲理論嘅時候咧，我哋唔好過於接受，唔好單單去接受，而去批判佢嘅時候咧，其實係保護緊我哋嘅意識形態，保護緊我哋嘅思想，唔好俾個作者去入侵。咁但係佢就再講啦，佢就話，但係如果我哋唔去接受呢一啲嘅事物嘅時候咧，we risk changing who we are，我哋就冇辦法改變到我哋自己，即係我哋冇辦法可以融入到作者一啲好重要嘅作品嗰度，從佢哋身上學習到之後咧，去改變自己。OK，we risk seeing a different way of living，我哋亦都咧 risk 係即係冒住一個風險啦。咁冒住一個風險咧，我哋可能咧就冇辦法去實踐我哋一個新嘅學習，一個新嘅生活啦，OK，alien，living not as something alien 咧就唔係外星人，呢度雖然係個外星人啦，但係即係話咧，如果你過於批判性 ，OK，你唔去接受啲作者所講嘅嘢咧，我哋可能睇唔到我哋一個全新呢個 alien 咧，其實係隱含住全新嘅意思，一個全新嘅生活態度，新嘅生活態度係啦。But as a possibility, we might be able to explore and even embrace。而呢啲生活態度咧，其實我哋係可以去探索同埋去 embrace 嘅。即係簡單啲咁講咧，呢一段咧成段就講緊咩咧？就係話雖然呢個批判性思考係好有用 ，OK， 而且咧呢個批判性思考咧其實係一個防禦機制嚟嘅，就係唔好讓我哋去過於相信一啲作者或者啲理念性嘅嘢。咁佢就話啦，但係如果我哋過於保護自己咧，其實我哋都睇唔到我哋有啲乜嘢生命嘅改變啊 ，OK， 或者係一啲其他新嘅生活態度，我哋可以擁抱嘅。咁即係呢一段咧，其實就係鼓勵同學咧唔好過於批評，係多啲接受一啲作者嘅一啲意見，一啲前人嘅意見。好啦，佢最後講到咯 ，liberal education must not limit itself to critical thinking and problem solving. It must also foster openness, participation and opportunity。佢就話啦，原來呢個博雅教育咧，雖然咧係隱含住一啲批判性嘅思考，但係咧佢唔可以淨係限死自己去 critical thinking， 即係唔可以限死佢淨係去批判性思考或者係 problem solving。佢亦都要咧去嘗試 foster 咧，即係你可以睇成係鼓勵啦，鼓勵一個叫做咩開放性嘅參與性同埋一啲機遇啦，即係接受一啲事物，即係唔好咁多批評啦。OK，it should be designed to take us beyond the campus to a life of ongoing pragmatic learning that finds inspiration in unexpected sources and increase our capacity to understand and contribute to the world and reshape it and ourselves in the process。呢度咧即係話咧，呢一個liberal education 咧係要設計咧，去將我哋帶出個校園 ，beyond the campus 帶出個校園。OK， 去一個生命度，乜嘢生命？呢個生命應該係一個 ongoing， 一個持續性，一個務實性 ，pragmatic 係務實啦。OK， 嘅學習度咧，而呢啲學習我哋係可以揾到一啲靈感嘅。呢啲靈感係嚟自一啲 unexpected sources 嘅，冇不期而遇嘅一啲資源啦，一啲新嘅地方啦，係咪？即係我哋喺啲新嘅 sources 一啲資源度咧，去揾到一啲新嘅靈感，咁亦都可以呢啲靈感咧，去提升我哋一啲能力 capacity 一啲容量啦、能力啦，去明白同埋貢獻呢個世界，從而咧去改變呢個世界，同埋改變我哋嘅自己。OK 喺呢個過程當中，即係話咧呢一段咧，亦都係講到咩咧？Liberal education 咧，唔單單係應該要學生去做一個批判性嘅思考，而且應該係鼓勵大家係開放嘅、有參與性嘅、有機遇嘅，而且係跳出我哋嘅校園啦，讓我哋嘅生命變得有持續性、可持續嘅發展啦，係一個務實性嘅學習啦，讓我哋有一個 inspiration 一個inspire 即係啟發啦，係咪？即係讓我哋有一個生命嘅啟發嘅，從而讓我哋咧可以去提升我哋嘅生命能量咯。OK，去改變呢個世界，改變我哋嘅自己。咁佢呢度咧其實係講到咧成個 liberal education 可以點樣樣做得更好嘅。